Hello, Eric. Please take a seat. Call me Harrison. Now, what exactly is it that ails you?
It's far too much to keep track of. I can't even begin to make sense of some of it.
That's all right, Eric. That's what I'm here for, after all. To help you make sense of your troubles.
Well, I'm finding it a bit hard to even talk about it without...
Please, Eric, don't feel afraid to say what's on your mind. Honesty is key to a good diagnosis.
I'm not really sure where to start.
Oh, don't worry about that. Say whatever first comes to your mind. Anything you say can and will be used to aid in your diagnosis.
Okay, so, I was on my way here, and I accidentally bumped into this lady. She wasn't really, like, bothered by it or anything, but, I didn't really get a chance to say sorry. And I guess recently, like, I haven't really been apologizing at all. I guess it just doesn't come naturally to me.
So you say you have trouble apologizing?
Well, yes. But it's just something I noticed now. It might not be something specifically related to, like, a...
That's enough. Yes, this is very interesting indeed. What do you think is the cause of this, Eric?
I don't know. Like I said, I really haven't put much thought into it.
How about another incident like this one? Anything will work. Think of an experience that first happened to you, perhaps. Often the further an event happened in the past, the more damaging its effect.
My sister Kate, she had to get the NextStep treatment.
She'll be going to a safe place, sweetheart.
When will she come back?
Don't worry about that. She's just getting fixed up a bit, that's all.
That's right. She's getting exactly the treatment she needs, so don't you worry one bit.
That's enough. Right then. I believe we have more than enough information to make a diagnosis. You do know what NextStep treatment is, don't you?
Yes, I do. I found out when I was older.
Well, then you should know that NextStep treatment is nothing less than a last resort. A treatment for the most terminally ill of the ill. Only for those suffering from a denial of reality.
And?
Do you think she deserved it?
No. I don't think she deserved it.
Well then, I'll just go in order, alright? So to start off with, I think you noticed yourself how stressed you became when you were telling that story. I would chalk it up to either a mild case of anxiety or depression. Next, that incident where you had trouble apologizing can very simply be explained. Bipolar disorder, most definitely. borderline personality disorder, due to how much you hesitated while speaking, post-traumatic stress disorder from that incident with your sister, disruptive mood dysregulation disorder, Munchausen syndrome, tardive dyskinesia, narcissistic personality disorder, histrionic personality disorder, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, dissociative identity disorder,
Stop, please.
adjustment disorder, avoidant personality disorder.
Stop!
What was that?
I
Could it be that you don't agree with my diagnosis? I wasn't aware that you were this ill, Eric. Yes, I should have known from your reaction to your sister leaving for NextStep treatment. It was clear at that very moment. Schizophrenia can't even begin to describe this. Simply put, this is a case of denial of reality. No doubt about it. That'll be $120,000. Credit card or cash?
Credit card?
Please be careful with your tears. The device is quite sensitive to water. We'll be seeing you soon, Eric.